How to make green chutney. Let's see the ingredients. 4 to 5 green chillies, coriander, 8 to 10 cloves of garlic and salt. Take a jar of mixer grinder in which you can grind all the ingredients. Let's start with putting the ingredients in it. We'll start with first green chilies, few coriander leaves, some garlic cloves. Then we will put it in mixture grinder and grind all the ingredients. Once the paste is made, remove it in a small bowl. Add some water in the jar and remove all the paste from it. Then we will add some salt to the chutney. You can add the salt according to your taste and mix the chutney well. And your green chutney is ready. Pair this chutney with nice hot vadas or bhajis or with a sandwich and enjoy. Thank you for watching the video.